HOVERAir X1. Lightweight and portable like never before. Enclosed propellers and foldable frame. Unfold the fun and fly with confidence. 3-second palm takeoff. Soar to new heights with the HOVERAir X1. Unlock cinematic shots with the press of a button. Hover, orbit, zoom out, bird's eye, and follow. VIO positioning system for ultra-stable flight. State-of-the-art computer vision algorithms, and keep you reliably in the frame. Beautiful shots in every scenario with HDR. Level 4 wind resistance and triple image stabilization. Experience super smooth shots no matter the activity. Fine-tune your shots with live preview and manual control. Lose yourself in the moment and be confident that you've caught just the right moment with burst mode. Explore the world with HOVERAir X1 by your side. HOVERAir X1. Start the journey starring you.
Introducing Ring Always Home Cam. Yeah, it's a camera that flies.
What?
We thought, what if we made a camera that can see every angle in your home without having a camera in every room? And make it smart enough so that you can teach it where to go.
Like this?
Yep, just like that.
Cool.
So, with the push of a button, it wakes up and goes here, there, or wherever you choose.
You forgot the orange slices, didn't you?
No way. Frankly, I blame the oranges. Hey!
And the Always Home Cam works seamlessly with Ring Alarm.
Yeah, that's not good.
Actually, it's great, because you can watch live from anywhere.
Well, good for you guys.
And when you're home, Always Home Cam is docked and the camera is hidden, designed with your privacy in mind. Introducing Always Home Cam, only from Ring.
Meet AirPix, the world's smallest and easiest aerial camera ever made. Capture HD photos and videos never before possible. Then share them like magic right from the app. It's like having a personal photographer in your pocket. Take it everywhere and put away the selfie sticks forever. AirPix works with just one touch. It will fly, frame, snap, and return, all by itself. So cool and so easy. If you want more control, just use the in-app joystick. You can also turn on 360 mode to automatically take pictures all around. And it will follow your face for the perfect picture. You can even control it with gestures. In the app, customize your pics and then post them instantly to your favorite social stream. You can even live stream real-time adventures from the air. Wowing your friends and followers has never been this easy, and it's packed with features like Italian design, 12 megapixel photos, HD video, 60-foot range, 6+ minutes of flight time, and smooth air flight stabilization. Welcome to the future of personal photography. Choose the better way to selfie with AirPix, the world's smallest, easiest, and coolest aerial camera ever made. AirPix by Air Selfie.